So on days gone by, like people they've been asking why my things they didn't show up. I'm trying with all my best with my life. I need to be me. I need to know who I am as a person, as a healer. So my advice to you guys, for the someone who is in a senior in spirituality, so if you wanna rise, you need to have faith and commitment. Try by all means to be the best in your ancestor. Be faithful to them. More than anything, have hope, have visions, have dreams. So if a person can come with like negativity through prayer, that's the thing. Those are the things that causing you difficulties. If you need a response from them, maybe you've been asking for luckies, money, you need to Christianity, religion, our culture, and I understand those things, but we believe in God. Even our ancestors, they believe in God. So those two people, they work together because it seems like people, they separate these two. They work together. In order to the ancestor to rise, it needs the spirit to connect, the Holy Spirit to rise to that particular ancestor. So I know people, they having self-doubts, but those people, they working together. So whenever you do or initiation at home, make sure you combine these two. You pray, then you pasha. Just don't always pasha every single day. Pray and pasha. Start with praying for your ancestors, praying for your life, pray for your loved one. What I know, God, He's a man, He's a woman as well, inside. Because we are the image of God. We are the best people in the life on earth. So all I need you to do, take care of yourself. Know who you are. In order to know who you are, you need to be strong in your altar. Don't start like rushing things, getting amajazi, like ancestral clothes, searching for them, but you don't know who you are. That is the problem. That is the first thing that causing your life to stuck. Problems, accidents, money, like lack of money. If you've been repeating amakobongo, repeating indwaso, you need to take a break. Live your life. Give yourself to God. Pray. Pray for your ancestors to show up. If there is no ancestor, then God has to tell you, my child, continue with life. This is nothing. You are wrong. You see? If you've been repeating those things, you need to take a break. Give yourself to God. Know who you are. Find yourself. Believe in yourself as well. Work hard. Work hard. Do your best. Focus in your dreams. Maybe one day they will come and say, we're here now. You see? Because maybe you're not spiritually gifted. You see? Maybe there is this ancestor who's so present to you as if like you are spiritually gifted. Maybe he or she came for protection, not to heal, not to rise, like to be shown up, but you need to do things for him or her. You see, maybe they failed in life, they wanted to achieve things. Maybe they came to you just to achieve those things through you. You see, maybe that is why some of other people, they ending up making mistakes to people. Some of the people, I know from my experience. I've been through a lot. You see, I saw things people, they just do because they just been told. So guys, I know who you are. Work hard for yourself. Take a break if you want to take a break. If you don't want to take a break, commit yourself as well. Believe in your answer. Make sure your life is not miserable. You need to be an angel to your ancestors. Avoid doing bad things in life. Forget about life. Just accept their life that comes with happiness, joy, faith, protection, and so forth. So, and keep saying, be your best. For my advice, guys, you need to wear white clothes, ancestral clothes, from top to bottom. Yeah, from top to bottom. Wear white clothes. That will attract angels, ancestors. They will decide, maybe can we make this person to be a healer? Or can we make this person to be a preacher? Or someone with motivation to people? Because that is the first start. So like a lot of sangomas, they're putting like gray clothes for the first start. And from me, if ungaphansi kwami, you first wear white clothes to accept angels first, to connect with God. Then heal. Then after this red clothes, mabubesi, mabai, those kind of things. Then I will see this is my child. He's been born again as well as a healer. He's going to be a strong healer. Even their ancestors, they've been born again through him or her. So this is what's my purpose for my high life to people. For my children's one day, we're going to come and be healed by me. Some of them. Guys, ngakhohlwa subscribe njalo. Ngiyanithanda kakhulu. Ngiyabuka njalo ama-comments abantu. Abanye babhede, abanye bangihlekisa. Abanye basho zonke lezi zinto abayishoyo. So, yeah. Ngizophendula. Onombuzo ngizomphendula. Showcase ngizomphendula. Ami ngakuphendula ngabakisi uyongixolela. Hayi nathi kuyenza phela sibe busy. Ahlali kakhulu emafoni sizoshiya umyalezo nolwazi nezifiso zethu nani nibe nazo. Mhlambe umuntu uma engenasifiso ngiyamnikeza abe nesifiso. Bye bye. Bye.